Here the given question is, if sine of alpha plus beta by sine of alpha minus beta is equal to a plus b by a minus b, then prove that a tan beta equal to b tan alpha. Just such type of the problems in this, we are using the componendo and dividendo method. Componendo and dividendo method. What is that means? Suppose x by y is equal to a by b is there, then we can take x plus y by x minus y equal to a plus b by a minus b, like that. This is called as the componendo and dividendo method. Why? Because when we can add a plus b plus a minus b means b will get cancelled, the remaining term only a. In the denominator taking negative means in that also a is eliminated, we are getting only b term. Okay. The left simplification, after simplification what we will get, just we can check out. Just here what they are given a and b. So for that values, we get the relation, we use the componendo and dividendo method. Okay, that is the idea. Here, first we can write it, what they have given, sine of alpha plus beta by sine of alpha minus beta is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Let it be equation 1. Okay, by componendo and dividendo method, we can write sine of alpha plus beta plus sine of alpha minus beta by sine of alpha plus beta minus sine of alpha minus beta equal to a plus b plus of a minus b by a plus b minus of a minus b. Here we can expand by using of sine of alpha plus beta formula. Sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta plus sine of alpha minus beta expansion. Sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta divides sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta, the minus of sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta equal to a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus a minus into minus plus b. Here plus a cancel, here b terms cancel. This is equal to 2a by 2b. Here plus cos alpha sine beta minus cos alpha sine beta. After multiplication, it is minus will come, minus into minus plus will come. So these two are get cancelled, sine alpha cos beta. Okay. So here two are same terms, then that is 2 sine alpha cos beta by 2 cos alpha sine beta equal to a by b. 2 also get cancelled, here also 2 get cancelled. The ratios of sine alpha cos alpha is tan alpha, cos beta by sine beta is cot beta equal to a by b. From this, tan alpha by tan beta equal to A by B. By the cross multiplication, B tan alpha equal to A tan beta. It is the proof. These are 4 marks questions. The first one is, if A minus B equal to 3 pi by 4, then show that 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. The second one is, if A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2 and none of A, B, C is an odd multiple of pi by 2, then prove that cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot, cot A, cot B, cot C in the product. And the second one is tan A, tan B plus tan B, tan C plus tan C plus tan A equal to 1. Third one, show that the summation of cos of B plus C by cos B cos C equal to 2. First, we can solve the first one, first solution. What they have given, if A minus B equal to 3 pi by 4. What we can show that 1 minus tan, to show that 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. Taking, since A minus B equal to 3 pi by 4, taking tan on both sides, tan of A minus B equal to tan of 3 pi by 4. It is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 4. Taking the LCM, 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. So the left hand side, we can apply the tan of A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. In the second quadrant, tan is negative. So minus tan of pi by 4. That is equal to minus 1. So by the cross multiply, tan A minus tan B is equal to minus 1 into 1 plus tan A tan B. If we can take the left side, tan A minus tan B minus, taking to left side, plus 1 plus tan A tan B equal to 0. Here in the left hand side, we can write from these two, wait a minute. Here in the first two terms, taking common, in this tan A plus tan B, if we can taking common, that will become 1 minus tan B will come. If tan B is also taking common, then that is nothing but 1 plus tan A will become. So we can, what we can do, one is keep left side, the remaining all are taking to right side. 1 equal to tan A minus tan A plus tan B minus tan A tan B. Okay, both sides adding with 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 1 minus tan A plus tan B is taking common from these two terms, tan B into 1 minus tan A. This is a one term. So 2 equal to 1 minus tan A is taking common. The remaining terms are here 1 plus tan B. Therefore, if A minus B equal to 3 pi by 4, then 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. If we can observe here, taking tan A is common, 1 plus tan B will come. Tan 1 minus tan B is the remaining term. But what they are having, what we can show that 1 minus tan A, 1 plus tan B. So we can tan B is common, then it will come to tan A minus 1. So only one is leaving left side, the remaining all terms taking to right side, then we get an idea. When we can take the tan B, then the remaining terms are in the expression of 1 minus tan A. So here minus tan A is there. Just we can add both sides 1, then the complete terms are make into what we can prove. So just that is the clue we can remember. Second problem is if they have given A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2 and none of A, B, C is an odd multiple of pi by 2 means odd multiple means 1 into pi by 2, 3 into pi by 2, 5 into pi by 2. No A, B, C can be expressed as pi by 2 of odd multiples. What we can prove that the first one to prove that cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. First, we can take A plus B since A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. From this, we can write it as A plus B equal to pi by 2 minus C. Here, some of the two multiples, some of the two angles, which is the multiple of pi by 2, but not A, not B, not C. And taking cot on both sides. Taking cot ratio on both sides. Why? Because we can show that this expression. So cot of A plus B equal to cot of pi by 2 minus C. Cot expansion of A plus B is cot A, cot B minus 1 by, is it correct?
Correct, aunty.
Mm.
Card B first.
Whatever it may be, multiple is there now, no worries. And
Mm.
addition is in the denominator also, no worry about the A plus B. Is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus C is tan C.
Tan.
C. That is nothing but 1 by cot C. Why? Because it is the first quadrant. And by the cross multiply. Cot A into cot B minus 1 whole into cot C equal to 1 into cot A plus cot B. Multiply cot A into cot B into cot C minus cot C equal to cot A plus cot B. These are important. Then we get cot A into cot B into cot C equal to, this minus cot C is taking to right side, then it will become cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Then it is the proof. Therefore, if A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, then cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. This is the solution. Here second one is tan A tan B plus tan A tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1 means same we can take A plus B equal to pi by 2 minus C. Tan of A plus B equal to tan of pi by 2 minus C. It is equal to cot C. Tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, this is cot C is nothing but 1 by tan C. So by the cross multiply, tan A plus tan B into tan C equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. Multiply tan A tan C plus tan B tan C equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. This is taking to left side. We are getting this one. Okay. Third one is cos of B plus C is expansion from this sigma. Cos of B plus C means cos B cos C minus sin C sin B sin C by cos B cos C. Here separate the terms. We are getting cos B cos B cos B cos C get cancelled. That is 1 minus cos sin B by cos B is tan B into tan C. Expand this, it is equal to summation. In the same way, expansion of this 1 minus tan B tan C plus 1 minus tan C tan A plus 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is equal to 3. Minus taking common, we are getting the second expression. Okay, that is minus of the 3 expression summation is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is the proof of given problems. Okay.